Hey, I'm Will. I'm going to tell you about the Homestead Hydration Kit that we have here at the ranch. It's really an absolute game changer. I picked up mine last summer. Before I put in the hydrator, I would wake up every morning before it got hot, usually about 5:30, 6 in the morning, and I would go out and water by hand each of over 100 impatiens. That would take me easily an hour to an hour and a half to give them a good soak during the hottest part of the season. With this, I didn't have to worry about it. I went out, turned on the water, I got a cup of coffee, I wandered around the rest of the yard. After 20 or 30 minutes, I'd go back and check. Everything was watered perfectly. I saved about an hour a day from July into mid-September. That's about 90 days, an hour a day, 90 hours of my labor in the heat. 90 hours of my life that I could then spend enjoying the pretty flowers rather than laboring over them. Yeah. 90 times 30 years is about 2,700 hours, which is basically a year of full-time work. This would be great for pots, for watering pots that you have on your deck. You can discreetly hide the feed tube underneath the deck. You can take the spaghetti tube up between the slats on the deck, feed it right into individual pots to give the appropriate watering there. Hanging planters, you can do that as well. There's sufficient spaghetti tubing that you can take up fairly high. I have a neighbor who actually has it on the shepherd's hook. So they snake it up the shepherd's hook down into the plant, and they don't have to go out and worry about those shepherd hook plants either. And actually, Jared ran the half-inch tube underneath the awnings of the house, and the spaghetti tube comes down off of that into the hanging baskets. And very easy to install in a lot of different configurations. It's great because it's made of a flexible tubing. It can be left out all year. And if you don't like the aesthetics of it, cover it with mulch, but it can be left out all year and you don't have to worry about it degrading, unlike if you had the white PVC or something like that on top of the mulch, which is an eyesore. It took really no more than about an hour, hour and a half to set up and configure. So let's see what we get in this big, beautiful kit here. First, you get 100 feet of drip line tubing, which you can spread out through your garden beds. Okay, so in the parts bag here, we have the spaghetti tube, the drip emitters right there, and you'll punch these into the main feed tube and then hook the spaghetti tube in and take it to each individual plant. We have the tool that makes it very easy to push the drippers into the feed tube. All you have to do with this is actually just push it right in the end there. You'll crimp the end with this clever little tool, and then the water will fill up and distribute out. Just an absolute time saver and a must-have. This is the time to get it into your garden now.